minor sins. In one of the journeys, accompanied by his followers, the messenger of God reached a land with no water and greenery. They needed wood to make fire. The Prophet said, "Gather some firewood." "Oh, the messenger of God, look how barren this land is. We cannot see any firewood." "Still, everybody should gather as much as he can," said the Prophet. The followers of the Prophet set out. They seen the land beneath them, and if they came across even a very small twig or stick, they would pick it. Everyone gathered whatever he could and brought it along. When they piled up whatever they had gathered, a big heap was there before them. At this time the Prophet said, "Small sins are like these small sticks, and you do not notice them at first. But everything has its choosers and seekers. The same way as you searched and gathered so much wood, your sins will be summoned and piled up, and one day you will notice that from those minor sins you never paid a heed to and look for granted, a big heap is formed."